What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have something very exciting to unbox. This is the new camera that all of my videos going forward will be shot on, the Fujifilm X-H1. So without further ado, let's get to it. I've been wanting a new camera with better color science, a higher bitrate, and in-body image stabilization for quite a while now. And to celebrate getting my first job after college, I bought my dream camera, the Fujifilm X-H1. It has some of the best in-body image stabilization and color science on the market, and it can shoot DCI 4K at 200 megabits per second. Opening up the box here, we've got a power cord, which I don't think is supposed to be in this box. And this here is the included hot shoe flash. It's nice of Fuji to throw this in since the X-H1 doesn't have a flash built in. And here is the camera itself. The strap is already mounted, which is fine by me. It's a bit bigger than I was expecting, but I'm used to something the size of a Sony a6000, so I'd probably say that with anything. One thing that size will mean though is that ergonomics are going to be great with this camera. The top screen was also something I was kind of curious about. Everyone seems to say it's an e-ink display, but I have my doubts about that, so that'll be something we can test in the future. Lock buttons on the wheels. Now this is used, and I'm pretty sure it only comes with the one battery here. Here's the heart of the beast, the X-Trans CMOS 3 sensor. This camera is in excellent shape, and I am so looking forward to testing this out. Don't be surprised if a few of my videos in the coming weeks are just camera tests, but I've wanted one of these cameras since they came out. I am so excited to finally have one. Not only that, but I also have this, the VPB X-H1 Power Booster Grip. This extends the recording time limits in 4K and 1080p to 30 minutes. It lets you use extra batteries, monitor audio via headphones, and tons of other cool stuff I won't even get into here. Okay, here in this box is the battery charger. This should have been in the other box where the AC adapter was. Both the charger and the AC adapter use the same figure 8 mains cord, which is nice. Apparently, there's nothing in this little white box. And here is the grip itself. It's quite a hefty bit of kit. This little plastic cap here covers the pins it uses to interface with the camera. The material here on the top is kind of like a suede cloth. The rest feels just as solid and well built as the camera itself. Here's the battery sled, and it looks like I was right, it only has one battery, but you can put 2 more in here to triple your battery life. So let's stick this on the camera and see how it looks. In my opinion, it looks pretty good. I am really excited to start making videos with this. So thank you for joining me on this little unboxing today. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, hit like, get subscribed, and ring the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. And I will see you guys in the next one.